For years, I got hammered by food, leading me to be 315 pounds and having numerous health issues at the age of only 22. One day, enough was enough, and I found the tools to help me fight back. And now I hammer food. I find the most tastiest bites and engage the most monstrous fights. I'm conquering fears and chugging beers, lifting weights and cleaning plates. I'm Heavy D, and these are my adventures.
What's up, Heavy D Nation? Welcome to today's adventure, another edition of everyone's favorite Burps and Slurps. Today, we are still with Dry Dock Brewing, which is located in Aurora, Colorado, and is one of my favorite breweries that Colorado has to offer. But we are going to be sampling the sour apricot. Last time we did the apricot blonde, now we're looking into the sour apricot. This will pair greatly like a sharp cheddar cheese. Bries are nice. I love this though when I have spicy chicken wings. That, bright, crisp flavor that you're gonna get with this beer. And then, it's got a strong apricot flavor, but it's kind of light tart. It goes great with spicy wings. So without further ado, I'm gonna shut up and chug. Got my Green Bay Packers glass. We got a donut video that we're posting. We got some food challenge videos for you all. Working on some more 2-minute warnings, which I think my latest idea that I have with the 2-minute warnings is to start getting you guys involved. Not everyone can eat the volume challenges, but I think in 2 minutes, if we could do like 12 Buffalo Wild Wings or like 2 or 3 stacks of the IHOP pancakes, which is a national chain, I think we can all try that and see if it's who can get it done in 2 minutes or not. You see if my Wisconsin skills are strong. I've been in Vegas now for a couple of months. Let's see if I'm losing my touch. Pretty good one in Denver. I'm gonna push my luck. I'm gonna push my luck. We know me. I'm an habitual room. All right, field to the game. Let's get our slurp here. It's really good. So it's sour. If you're into sour beers, this is a great one. I think Lucas said he's huge in the IPAs. He enjoys the IPAs. They never quite did it for me. I've always been a fan of fruity beers, which everyone's like, oh God, it's not really drinking. And I get that. But this one's 5.1% alcohol. So it is definitely higher up in the scheme than even my normal everyday water from being Wisconsin Miller Lite. So. Bottoms up. Oh, that's good. And now for the epic roar. It's a pretty weak one. I'm going to give that a 3 out of 5. I think we're going to have to do an IPA burp. I think it was Bud Light Lover said IPA burps are the best. I believe that was him. I'm going to try that out. But so that was this edition of Burps and Slurps with the sour apricot from Dry Dock Brewing in Aurora, Colorado. If you're ever in the area, check them out. They do sell in some other outside of Colorado, I believe, but they're very big in Colorado. Local little brewery. There's just like 2 little locations. It's awesome. One of my first date hangouts, because dating tip for you all, since everyone watched the Raina dating video and all the tips I gave, I always picked an activity that I like to do. So if the date sucked, everything sucked, at least I was doing something I wanted to do. Selfish, yes, but What are you going to do? It's 2019. So, I appreciate you joining me on this adventure. If you want to join me on the rest of these adventures, hit that subscribe button. And let's prepare as we practice and gather our way to the path to Coney in Las Vegas, Nevada. Stay hungry.